Collision emoji, Amazon just fired 10,000 workers. Replaced by AI, robot emoji, is your job safe in 2025? Amazon just replaced 10,000 human workers with AI. Not a rumor. Not a warning. This is already happening. Robot emoji, AI is silently taking over, faster, cheaper, and without a second thought. Could your job be next? Right pointing finger emoji. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead of the AI curve, because what you're about to learn may affect your future. Studio microphone emoji. Introduction. The real shock. In a recent statement, Amazon confirmed another major wave of layoffs. But this wasn't due to falling profits or company restructuring. It was something far more futuristic and frightening: artificial intelligence outperforming humans. Let that sink in. Real people, with careers, mortgages, and families, were let go, and their replacements. Lines of code. Machines. Algorithms. Gone. Deleted. Like outdated software. Factory emoji. Part 1. The AI revolution inside Amazon. Amazon's operations have evolved into a high-speed, AI-driven ecosystem. Let's break it down. Sparrow, the robotic arm sorting your packages. Titan, the AI brain behind Amazon's entire logistics network. Chatbots, handling thousands of customer queries in seconds. And now, there's Project Fog, a secretive system that manages entire teams of warehouse workers without a single human manager. No lunch breaks. No salary. No burnout. Just pure machine efficiency. And the cold truth. Humans apply. AI evaluates. Humans get fired. AI stays. Silhouetted busts emoji. Part 2. Real layoffs, real people, real pain. This isn't theoretical anymore. Amazon has already laid off thousands from departments like human resources, logistics, customer support, even tech operations, and what's worse, some of those fired helped build the AI systems that replaced them. One former employee said, "I literally trained the AI that took my job." Broken heart emoji. They were engineers of the future and now they're victims of it. I in speech bubble emoji. Part 3. The AI that watches you. Amazon's AI doesn't just replace people. It watches those who remain. Every movement. Every keystroke. Even your speech tone is tracked by surveillance algorithms. You're being measured, every minute, by a machine. Welcome to algorithmic micromanagement, where AI is no longer just a tool. It's the boss. And it never blinks. Brain emoji. Part 4. Progress or crisis. Some people say this is progress. Innovation. Efficiency. Evolution. But ask yourself, if hard-working, loyal employees are being replaced overnight, is that really progress? Today, it's Amazon. Tomorrow it could be banks, hospitals, government offices, anywhere. We're not talking about distant future anymore. This is 2025, and AI is rewriting the rulebook. Not just for business, but for human survival in the workforce. So I ask you, can humans and AI coexist in the workplace? Or are we already being quietly replaced? One algorithm at a time. Down pointing finger emoji. Share your thoughts in the comments. What would you do if your job was next? If you want to stay prepared for what's coming, thumbs up emoji, like this video, bell emoji, subscribe to Takeover AI, and outbox emoji. Share it with someone who needs to wake up before it's too late. This is Takeover AI, exposing the future before it hits you. The question is, will you be ready?